Imagine it's the year 2125. Vancouver is the capital of the United States of Ryan Reynolds, previously the countries of Canada and the USA. Long story. A shuttle is heading back from the planet Mars. The crew needs to take a sample of the engine lubricants to make sure everything's running okay. You have to test the fluid. It's not a rule of thumb situation. You don't want to change the lubricants if they don't need to be changed. You need to make sure the fluid isn't contaminated and heading towards catastrophic failure. Do you know how they perform the analysis? The answer is, they don't. Every fluid on board is analyzed in real time through a fully integrated inline analytics platform. Right now, as you're sitting here, all around the world, people are taking samples and performing manual analysis because they need to make sure. Because not okay translates to hundreds of billions of dollars in catastrophic failures, unnecessary fluid changes, and suboptimal decisions. Enter FluidInsight, featuring real-time lab-quality insights made possible through the marriage of our proprietary inline sensor chemistry and machine learning. Deployed in the Canadian oil sands, we generate $19 million a year in combined savings and revenue on fluid changes alone. Before our proprietary hardware is deployed, we build fluid-specific algorithms, fluid-specific down to the exact brand. 5 years from now, we won't believe it was ever done any other way.